Note the entire dental team's emphasis on clear, three-part communication. Number 1, the dentist's orders are clearly stated. Number 2, the staff person confirms understanding the order by repeating it back to the dentist. And number 3, the dentist is told verbally that the task has been completed. Maureen, the dental hygienist, is treating a patient in a different treatment room. She hears the alarm and excuses herself. Maureen's designated role is patient assessor and record keeper. Maureen retrieves her duty card, which is stored in an area that is both easily remembered and easily accessed. By having clearly stated duties which have been practiced in advance, the members of the dental team can immediately begin their assignments without further direction from the dentist. Jean, the office manager, has been designated the rover during the emergency. She too hears the alarm, retrieves her duty card, and begins her pre-assigned duties. The rover's first task is bringing oxygen supplies, medications, emergency supplies, and the ADA emergency guide to the operatory. The ADA emergency guide that accompanies this video series provides the dentist and dental team a way to help identify the cause of the patient's problem and to formulate an appropriate response.